In this particular video, we will see the solution of NEET 2022 question paper, and we'll check the solution of biology questions only. So let's see the first question. Which one of the following statement is not true regarding gel electrophoresis technique? The presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue colored DNA bands. No, this is incorrect. It does not give blue color bands. Bright orange color bands of DNA can be observed in gel when exposed to light. This is correct. The process of extraction of separated DNA strands from gel is called elution. This is correct. The separated DNA fragments are stained by using ethidium bromide. This is correct. So the correct answer here is number 1. Next, question number 2. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plants and proposed the laws of inheritance. Okay, this is correct. 7 characters examined by Mendel in his experiments on pea plants were seed shape, seed color, flower color, pod shape, pod color, flower position, and stem height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that means this statement is also correct. So both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. So this is the correct option, answer number 3. Next, question number 3. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Porphyra, Floridian starch, this is correct. Volvox starch, correct. Ectocarpus, fucoxanthin, correct. Eulothrix, mannitol, this is incorrect. Why? Because Eulothrix जो है वो क्लोरोफाइसी का मेंबर है और मैनिटॉल जो है वो फियोफाइसी में पाया जाता है. हियर इट इज गिवन इन एनसीईआरटी ऑन पेज नंबर 33 also. Mannitol or laminarin, it is found in Phaeophyceae. Next question. Exotype of sex determination can be found in grasshoppers. Grasshoppers में देखने के लिए मिलता है. Monkeys, Drosophila में XY टाइप का sex determination होता है और birds में ZW type. So correct answer is 1. The appearance of recombination nodules on homologous chromosomes during meiosis characterizes site at which crossing over takes place. Yes, जो recombination nodules जो बनते हैं वो उसी साइट पे बनते हैं जहाँ पे क्रॉसिंग ओवर होती है. लेट्स से क्रॉसिंग ओवर इस पॉइंट पे होती है तो यहाँ रिकॉम्बिनेशन नोड्यूल्स बनते हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज पॉइंट नंबर 1. Which of the following is not a method of ex situ conservation? National park is the correct answer. Micropropagation, cryopreservation, in vitro fertilization, they are incorrect. Identify the correct statement related to pollination. Flowers produce foul odors to attract flies and beetles to get pollinated. This is correct. Moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agents among insects. No, honeybees are the most dominating pollinating agent. Honeybee सबसे ज़्यादा pollination के काम करती है. Pollination by wind is quite rare in flowering plant. This is correct. Pollination by wind is more common among abiotic pollination. This is correct. So the correct answer here is option number 2. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, the primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plants is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, and it is found in the mesophyll cells. This is correct. Statement number 2, mesophyll cells of C4 plants lack Rubisco enzyme. This is also correct. So the correct answer here is both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Next question 9. In old trees, the greater part of xylem of secondary xylem is dark brown and resistant to insects due to secretion of secondary metabolites and their deposition in the lumen of vessel. This is correct. जो secondary metabolites है वो secrete होते हैं और उनका deposition हो जाता है vessels में. Deposition of organic compounds like tannins, resins, ये भी ठीक है. Tannins और resins का deposition हो जाता है. Deposition of suberin and aromatic substance, this is incorrect. Deposition of tannin, gums, resin, aromatic substance, ये भी incorrect है क्योंकि इसमें gum mentioned है, aromatic substances mentioned है. Presence of parenchyma cells, functionally active xylem elements and essential oil, this is also incorrect. So A and B, only A and B are correct. So answer is option number 3. Next question, which one of the following produces nitrogen fixing nodules on the roots of alnus? Answer is Frankia. It is given on page in symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. It is alnus and Frankia. It produces nitrogen fixing nodules on the roots of non-leguminous plants, example alnus. Next question, given below are two statements. Decomposition is a process in which the detritus is degraded into simpler substances by microbes. ठीक है, this is correct. Decomposition is faster if the detritus is rich in lignin and chitin. No, this is incorrect. अगर detritus में lignin होगा और chitin होगा तो decomposition fast नहीं होगा बल्कि slow होगा. So statement 1 is correct. Sorry, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. So the correct answer is option number 1. Next, habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, alien species invasion and co-extinction are causes of biodiversity loss. बहुत easy question है, very easy question. Next, hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from rhodophyceae. It is obtained from rhodophyceae. इसमें देखते हैं carrageen which are commercially used. This is obtained from rhodophyceae. ये rhodophyceae का पैराग्राफ है NCERT से. Next, girdling experiment was performed by plant physiologist to identify the plant tissue through which girdling experiment जब करते हैं इस तरह से उसका रिजल्ट आता है कि प्लांट की जो अगर पॉट में लगाया जाए प्लांट और उसको इस तरह से गर्डल किया जाए, यहाँ से आउटर इसकी लेयर को रिमूव कर दिया जाए, तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी टाइम बाद अगर ऑब्जर्व करें तो यहाँ पे यहाँ से वो थिक हो जाता है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज गर्डलिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट. एंड ये होता किस लिए है? बिकॉज यहाँ से फूड ट्रांसपोर्ट होके आ रहा है बट वो आगे नहीं जा पा रहा बिकॉज यहाँ से हमने आउटर लेयर इसकी रिमूव की हुई है. सो द आंसर इज food is because food is transported from here and it is clearly mentioned in NCERT also. A simple experiment called girdling was used to identify the tissues through which food is transported. Question number 15. The flowers are zygomorphic. Zygomorphic means bilaterally symmetrical flowers. कहाँ पे होते हैं? It is present in Gulmohar and in Cassia. So the correct option is option number 4, B and C. Question number 16. Which of the following is not true regarding the release of energy during ATP synthesis through chemiosmosis? It involves movement of protons across the membrane of the stroma. This is correct. Reduction of NADP to NADPH2 on the stroma side of membrane. This is correct. Breakdown of proton gradient. This is correct. Breakdown of electron gradient. This is incorrect. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Next. The device which can remove particulate matter present in the exhaust from a thermal power plant is. It is the electrostatic precipitator जिससे कि particulate matter को remove किया जाता है. Next question. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion, PCR is used in DNA amplification. This is correct. Reason, the ampicillin resistant gene is used as selectable marker to check transformation. ये है तो correct लेकिन ये इसका explanation नहीं है. So the correct option is both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Which of the following plants does not show plasticity? Plasticity कौन show नहीं करता? Maize show नहीं करता है, buttercup show करता है, coriander show करता है और cotton भी show करता है. It is clearly given in NCERT in plasticity paragraph. Cotton, coriander, larkspur, they show plasticity. Next, the process of translation of mRNA to proteins begins as soon as both the subunits join together to bind with mRNA. No, जब mRNA का जब ट्रांसलेशन होता है वो तब स्टार्ट होता है जब स्मॉल सब यूनिट राइबोसोम का स्मॉल सब यूनिट आके mRNA से अटैच हो जाता है. So the tRNA is activated and the large subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. This is incorrect. The small subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. This is correct. The large subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. This is also incorrect. So the correct option is answer number 3. Next, read the following statements and choose the set of correct statements. Euchromatin is loosely packed chromatin. This is correct. Heterochromatin is transcriptionally active. No, heterochromatin नहीं बल्कि euchromatin transcriptionally active होता है. Histone octamer is wrapped by negatively charged DNA in nucleosome. No, it is wrapped by positively charged DNA. Histone are rich in lysine and arginine. This is true. A typical nucleosome contains 400 base pair. No, it contains around 200 base pairs. So the correct option is A, C and D. Next, read the following statements about the vascular bundles. अब इसमें देखिए फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है in root, xylem and phloem in a vascular bundle are arranged in alternate manner along the different radii. This is correct. Conjoint vascular bundles do not possess cambium. This is also correct. In open vascular bundle, cambium is present in between xylem and phloem. Xylem और phloem के बीच में cambium present होता है. The open vascular bundle में this is also correct. In vascular bundles of dicot possess endark protoxylem. ये भी correct है. Monocot root usually there are more than 6 xylem bundles present. ये भी करेक्ट है. तो इस क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर अगर हम देखें तो इसमें पांचों ही ऑप्शंस करेक्ट है. सो इन चारों में से कोई भी इसका आंसर नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, एक्सोस्केलेटन ऑफ आर्थ्रोपॉड्स इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ, वेरी इजी, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ काइटिन. Next, what is the net gain of ATP when each molecule of glucose is converted to 2 molecules of pyruvic acid? 2. The net gain of ATP is 2 when 1 molecule of glucose is converted to 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Which of the following is not observed during apoplastic pathway? The movement is aided by cytoplasmic streaming? No. Apoplast is continuous and does not provide any barrier to water movement. This is correct. ऐसा देखा जाता है. Movement of water occurs through intercellular spaces and walls of the cell. This is also correct. The movement does not involve crossing of cell membrane. This is also correct. So the correct answer is option number 1. Which one of the following plants shows vexillary estivation and didelphous stamens? ये देखने के लिए हमें मिलता है Pisum sativum में, जहाँ vexillary estivation होता है और जो stamens होते हैं वो 2 bundles में होते हैं. Next, DNA polymorphism forms the basis of both genetic mapping and DNA fingerprinting. इनको दोनों ही प्रोसेस में DNA polymorphism को ध्यान में रखा जाता है, ना कि इनमें. ट्रांसलेशन में भी नहीं और इन दोनों में ही कंसिडर किया जाता है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1. What amount of energy is released from glucose during lactic acid fermentation? Approximately less than 7% of the energy is released. So the correct option is option number 2. Identify the correct set of statements. The leaflets are modified into pointed hard thorns in citrus and bougainvillea. No, this is incorrect. Axillary buds form slender and spirally coiled tendrils in cucumber and pumpkin. This is correct. Axillary buds जो हैं वो tendrils form करते हैं. Stem is flattened and fleshy in opuntia and modified to perform function of leaf. This is correct. Rhizophora shows vertically upward growing roots that help to get oxygen for respiration. This is correct. Subaerially growing stem is in grasses and strawberry help in vegetative propagation. This is also correct. So the correct option here is option number 1. B, C, D and E are correct. Next, which one of the following statements cannot be connected to predation? both the interacting species are negatively impacted. This is not connected to predation. It is necessitated by nature to maintain the ecological balance. This is correct. Predation से ecological balance maintain होता है, इससे species diversity maintain रहती है, और ये कभी कभी it leads to extinction of species also. Next, given below are two statements. Statement 1, क्लीस्टोगैमस फ्लावर्स आर इनवेरिएबली ऑटोगामस. ये करेक्ट है, क्योंकि क्लीस्टोगैमस फ्लावर जो बंद रहते हैं उनमें ऑटोगैमी होती है, मतलब सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होता है. स्टेटमेंट 2, क्लीस्टोगैमी इज डिसएडवांटेजेस एज देर इज नो चांस ऑफ क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. क्लीस्टोगैमी में क्योंकि फ्लावर्स क्लोज रहते हैं तो उसमें कोई भी चांसेस नहीं होते हैं क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन के. सो बोथ स्टेटमेंट 1 एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 both are correct. Next question. Production of cucumber has increased manifold in recent years. Application of which of the following phytohormone has resulted in this increased yield, as the hormone is known to produce female flower? This is ethylene. इथाइलिन हार्मोन की एप्लीकेशन की वजह से कुकुम्बर का जो यील्ड है वो इंक्रीज हुआ है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैच द फॉलोइंग. मैंगनीज, it functions in splitting of water during photosynthesis. Magnesium activates enzymes of respiration. Boron, it is required for pollen germination. आपने एक स्कूल में एक्सपेरिमेंट भी किया होगा pollen germination का, तो उसमें बोरॉन भी डालते हैं उसमें. Iron activates the enzyme catalase. So the correct option is option number 4. Next, which of the following never occurs during mitotic cell division? Pairing of homologous chromosomes? नहीं, ये तो meiosis का characteristic है. Coiling and condensation of chromatids, ये भी होता है. Spindle fiber attached to kinetochores of chromosome, this also happens. Movement of centrioles towards opposite poles, ऐसा भी होता है. लेकिन first जो है वो meiosis में होता है, ना कि mitosis में. So the correct answer is option number 1. The gaseous plant growth regulator is used in plants to promote root growth. जो gaseous plant growth regulators होते हैं वो plants में क्यों use किए जाते हैं? To promote root growth and root hair formation to increase absorption surface. So the correct option is option number 4. Match the following again. Spirogyra is dominant haploid free living gametophyte. Fern is dominant diploid sporophyte alternating with reduced gametophyte called prothallus. Funaria is a dominant haploid leafy gametophyte stage alternating with partially dependent multicellular sporophyte stage. और जो साइकस होता है, साइकस इज डोमिनेंट डिप्लॉयड स्पोरोफाइट वैस्कुलर प्लांट है with highly reduced male or female gametophytes. So the correct option is option number 4. Next, which part of the fruit labeled in the given figure makes it a false fruit? Thalamus. C, thalamus. ये जो पोर्शन होता है ये एप्पल का क्रॉस सेक्शन दिखाया गया है. इसमें जो हम पोर्शन जो खाते हैं एप्पल का वो होता है थैलेमस. सो थैलेमस से अगर फ्रूट बना है तो इट इज़ अ फॉल्स फ्रूट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल एक्सेलरेट फॉस्फोरस साइकिल? वेदरिंग ऑफ रॉक्स होगी तो फॉस्फोरस साइकिल एक्सेलरेट होगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैच द फॉलोइंग अगेन. मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम, मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम जिसमें सेंटर में होता है सेंट्रोमियर, तो सेंट्रोमियर इन द मिडल फॉर्मिंग 2 इक्वल आर्म्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. देन बी, एक्रोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम, सेंट्रोमियर सिचुएटेड क्लोज टू द एंड के पास होता है इस तरह से. सब मेटासेंट्रिक जो है वो सेंट्रोमियर स्लाइटली अवे फ्रॉम द मिडल होता है. लेट्स से दिस लाइक दिस. और टीलोसेंट्रिक जो होता है बिल्कुल उसमें टिप पे होता है, सेंट्रोमियर एट द टर्मिनल एंड, उसमें टीलोमियर एंड पे प्रेजेंट होता है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3. The anatomy of Springwood shown some peculiar features. Identify the correct set of statements about the Springwood. It is also called as the early wood. This is correct. In spring season, cambium produces xylem elements with narrow vessels. No, this is incorrect. It is light in color. This is correct. The spring wood along with autumn wood show alternate concentric rings forming annual ring. This is correct. And it has lower density. This is also correct. So the correct option here is option number 4. Next, given below are two statements, assertion and reason. Let's check. Mendel's law of independent assortment does not hold good for the genes that are located closely on the same chromosome. This is correct क्योंकि अगर closely related genes होंगे तो वो linkage show करेंगे. Reason, closely located genes assort independently. No, this is not the correct reason because this is incorrect because जो closely related genes होते हैं वो linkage show करते हैं ना कि वो independently assort होते हैं. So the correct option is A is correct but R is not correct. Read the following statements on lipids and find out correct set of statements. Lecithin found in the plasma membrane is a glycolipid. No. Saturated fatty acids possess one or more carbon C double bond C bonds. No. Gingerly oil has low melting point, hence remains as oil in winter. This is correct. Lipids are generally insoluble in water but soluble in some organic solvent. This is correct. When fatty acid is esterified with glycerol, monoglycerides are formed. This is also correct. So the correct option here is option number 1, C, D and E only. Next. What is the role of large bundle sheath cells found around the vascular bundles in C4 plants? जो C4 plants होते हैं उसमें बंडल शीथ सेल्स जो होती हैं उनका क्या रोल होता है? बेसिकली वो क्या करती हैं? दे इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट फॉर ऑपरेशन ऑफ द कैल्विन साइकिल. नंबर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट को इंक्रीज करती हैं. नेक्स्ट, इन द फॉलोइंग पैलिंड्रोमिक बेस सीक्वेंसेस ऑफ डीएनए विच वन कैन बी कट इजीली बाय पर्टिकुलर रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम? इसमें देखिए ये वाला ऑप्शन देखते हैं, GAATTC. अब इसका GAATTC ये इसका ऑपोजिट स्टैंड का ये सीक्वेंस है. तो ये दोनों जो एंजाइम होगा वो ऐसे ही पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंसेस को कट करेगा जो दोनों मतलब एक स्ट्रैंड पे अगर इस डायरेक्शन में इस तरह से पढ़ा जा रहा है GAATTC, तो दूसरे स्ट्रैंड पे भी वो ऐसा ही पढ़ा जाए. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर 4. बाकी ऑप्शन चेक करते हैं. CTC, AGT और ये है CTGAG, ये इनकरेक्ट हो गया. अगर ये सीक्वेंस जो हम यहाँ से यहाँ पढ़ लें वो सेम अगर यहाँ से यहाँ पढ़ा जाए तब ये करेक्ट आंसर होगा. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर इज आंसर नंबर 4. The entire fleet of buses in Delhi were converted to CNG from diesel. In inference to this, which of the following statement is false? The same diesel engine is used in CNG buses, making the cost conversion low. जो सेम इंजन डीजल इंजन होते हैं उनको CNG में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है जिससे कि लो कॉस्ट ऑफ कन्वर्शन लो हो जाए. नेक्स्ट, एडिशन ऑफ मोर सॉल्यूट्स इन अ गिवन सॉल्यूशन विल. अगर हम किसी सॉल्यूशन में ज़्यादा सॉल्यूट डाल दें तो क्या होगा? उससे उसका वाटर पोटेंशियल कम हो जाएगा. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज लोअर इट्स वाटर पोटेंशियल. नेक्स्ट, ट्रांसपोजोन्स कैन बी यूज ड्यूरिंग विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? ट्रांसपोजोन्स को हम यूज करते हैं इन PCR. No, actually the correct answer of this question is option number 4, gene silencing. Gene silencing में transposons को use किया जाता है. While explaining interspecific interaction of population, positive sign is assigned for beneficial interaction and negative sign is assigned for detrimental interaction, and 0 is assigned for neutral interaction. Which one of the following interaction can be assigned positive for one species, नेगेटिव फॉर अनदर स्पीशीज? कौन सा ऐसा इंटरेक्शन है इन चारों में से जिसको हम प्लस माइनस से इंडिकेट कर सकें? सो इट इज़ प्रिडेशन. प्रिडेशन में एक का नुकसान होता है, एक का फायदा होता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 3. If a geneticist uses the blind approach for sequencing the whole genome of an organism followed by assignment of function to different segments, the methodology adopted by him is called as sequence annotation. Correct option is 3. Which one of the following occurs due to presence of autosome linked dominant trait? It is myotonic dystrophy. Natural selection, where more individuals acquire specific character value other than the mean character value, leads to directional change. में natural selection में क्या होता है कि जो mean character value होती है उससे हटके ज़्यादा जो इंडिविजुअल्स हैं वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में एक ही स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टर्स शो करते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द डायरेक्शनल चेंज. गिवन बिलो आर टू स्टेटमेंट्स. Mycoplasma can pass through less than 1 micron filter size. This is correct. Mycoplasma are bacteria with cell wall. No, उनमें cell wall नहीं होती है, तो this is incorrect. So the correct option is statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Next, a dehydration reaction links two glucose molecules to produce maltose. If the formula for glucose is C6H12O6, then what is the formula for maltose? Maltose का formula होता है C12H22O11. Which one of the following statement with respect to ER is incorrect? Endoplasmic reticulum. In prokaryotes, only ER is present. No, this is incorrect. SER are the sites for lipid synthesis. This is correct. RER has ribosome attached to ER. It is correct. SER is devoid of ribosome. This is also correct. SER में ribosomes नहीं होते हैं. टेगमिना इन कॉकरोच. टेगमिना कहाँ से अराइज होता है? मीजोथोरिक्स से. इफ द लेंथ ऑफ DNA molecule is 1.1 meter, what will be the approximate number of base pair? इसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला है. Length of DNA is equal to number of base pair in DNA multiplied by distance between two nucleotides. तो यहाँ पे हमें DNA की लेंथ हमें दी हुई है 1.1 मीटर, जिसको हमने नैनोमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लिया है. तो 1.1 इंटू 10⁹ इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ बेस पेयर इन DNA मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.34 नैनोमीटर. सो नंबर ऑफ बेस पेयर हमारी कैलकुलेट होके आ जाएगी, ये इस साइड जाएगा. सो द करेक्ट आंसर it would come to be 3.3 into 10⁹ base pair. Identify the asexual reproductive structures associated with penicillium. Penicillium में asexual reproductive structure होता है conidia. Given below are assertion and reason question. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. This is correct. Notochord is replaced by vertebral column in adult vertebrate. This is correct, and this is the explanation of this. This is the correct explanation of this. So correct answer is option number 3. Breeding crops with higher levels of vitamins and minerals or higher proteins and healthier fats is called as biofortification. Biofortification. Next, under normal physiological conditions in human being, every 100 ml of oxygenated blood, 100 ml of oxygenated blood कितना ml of oxygen tissues को provide करता है? It is 5 ml. In which of the following animals digestive tract has additional chambers? Digestive tract में additional chambers किस में होते हैं? Birds में. और यहाँ पे देखो पेवो होता है peacock, Psittacula is parrot and corvus is crow. So ये तीनों birds का combination दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. So the correct option is option number 2. Which of the following functions is not performed by secretion from salivary glands? Digestion of disaccharide. Disaccharide का digestion नहीं करता है, बल्कि ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है उनको डाइसैकेराइड्स में कन्वर्ट करता है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 2. और ये लुब्रिकेशन करता है ओरल कैविटी की, दिस इज करेक्ट. इट कंट्रोल्स बैक्टीरियल पॉपुलेशन माउथ, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. और ये कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट का डाइजेशन करेगा, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट इज एक्सक्रीटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पैलेट और पेस्ट. ऐसा बर्ड्स में होता है. और बर्ड यहाँ पे कौन सी है? ऑप्शन नंबर 2, पेवो. पेवो इज पीकॉक. In an E. coli strain, I gene gets mutated and its product cannot bind the inducer molecule. आई जो आई जीन जो होता है वो रिप्रेसर प्रोटीन बनाता है, और रिप्रेसर प्रोटीन इंड्यूसर से अगर बाइंड नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? जो ZYA जीन्स है उनकी सिंथेसिस हो जाएगी. सो if growth medium is provided with lactose, what will be the outcome? ZYA genes will not be translated. Wait, just a second. Sorry, the question is in an E. coli strain, if I gene gets mutated, अगर I gene में अगर mutation हो जाए और उसका product जो है वो bind ना कर पाए inducer molecule से, तो क्या होगा? मीडियम में अगर लैक्टोज है तो ZYA जीन्स जो है उनका ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द एडजेसेंट बोन्स ऑफ वर्टिब्रल कॉलम? इट इज द कार्टिलेज. जो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम में जो बोन्स होती हैं उनके बीच में कार्टिलेज प्रेजेंट होता है. अगेन स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन, the fatty acids and cholesterol cannot be absorbed into the blood. This is correct. Statement 2, specialized lymphatic capillaries called lacteals carry chylomicrons into lymphatic vessels and ultimately into the blood. This is also correct. So both A statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Select the incorrect statement with reference to mitosis. Spindle fibers attached to centromere of the क्रोमोसोम. ये सेंट्रोमियर से नहीं बल्कि जो काइनेटोकोर होता है, काइनेटोकोर से अटैच होते हैं स्पिंडल फाइबर्स. Chromosome decondense at telophase, this is correct. Splitting of centromere occurs at anaphase, this is also correct. And all the chromosomes lie at the equator at metaphase, this is also correct. So the correct answer here is option number 4. Given below are two statements. फिर से statement question. The release of sperms into seminiferous tubule is called as spermiation, this is correct. Spermiogenesis is process of formation of sperms from spermatogonia. नहीं, spermatogonia से नहीं बनते हैं. So the correct option here is option number 1. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. बहुत easy question. Again, statement question. The coagulum is formed of a network of threads called thrombin node. Spleen is the graveyard of erythrocyte. This is correct. So the correct option here is statement number 2. Next, identify the microorganism which is responsible for the production of an immunosuppressive molecule, cyclosporin A. Very easy and direct question. जो cyclosporin A है वो किससे बनता है? ट्राइकोडर्मा पॉलीस्पोरम से. Which of the following statement are true for spermatogenesis but do not hold true for oogenesis? It results in the formation of haploid gametes. Choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Okay, which of the following statement are true for spermatogenesis but do not hold true for oogenesis? ठीक है, तो इसमें देखिए ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. डिफरेंशिएशन, दिस इज नॉट incorrect. Differentiation of gametes occur after the completion of meiosis. Meiosis occurs continuously in a mitotically dividing stem cell population and it is initiated at puberty. तो ऐसा स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस में होता है लेकिन ऐसा oogenesis में नहीं होता है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 2. In situ conservation refers to protect and conserve the whole ecosystem. Lips loop is a type of contraceptive used in non-medicated IUDs. Correct answer is 1. Which of the following is a correct match for disease and its symptom? Myasthenia gravis, genetic disorder, resulting in weakening and paralysis of skeletal muscle. This is incorrect. Muscular dystrophy and autoimmune disorder causing progressive degeneration of skeletal muscles. Incorrect. Arthritis, inflamed joint. This is correct. Tetany, high calcium level causing rapid spasm. This is third is correct and fourth is incorrect. So the correct answer is option number 3. Which of the following is not the function of conducting part of respiratory system? कंडक्टिंग पार्ट का काम सिर्फ गैसेस को कंडक्ट करना होता है, ना कि डिफ्यूजन होता है वहाँ पे. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज प्रोवाइड सरफेस फॉर डिफ्यूजन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट, रिगार्डिंग मियोसिस विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट? पेयरिंग ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम होता है, रिकॉम्बिनेशन भी होता है मियोसिस 1 में. 4 हैप्लॉइड सेल्स बनती हैं मियोसिस 2 के एंड में. दिस इज करेक्ट. There are 2 stages, meiosis 1 and 2. ये भी correct है. DNA replication occurs in S phase of meiosis 2. This is incorrect. So the correct option is 4. Detrivodes break down detritus into smaller particles. This process is called fragmentation. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? Cartilage, neuroglia, blood, adipose tissue. It is the neuroglia. Neuroglia is not the connective tissue. In the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is correct in case of animals? इसमें हम sequence अगर देखें तो sequence हमारा third वाला correct है, kingdom, phylum, class, order, genus, family, species. लेकिन इसमें this is not the ascending, but this is the descending order. Next, फिर से statement question. The restriction endonuclease recognize specific sequence to cut DNA known as palindromic nucleotide sequence. This is correct. Restriction endonuclease cut the DNA strand a little away from the center. This is also correct. So both A and first statement and second, both the statements are correct. In gene therapy of ADA deficiency, the patient requires periodic transfusion of genetically engineered lymphocyte. क्यों दिया जाता है उसको lymphocytes बार बार? genetically engineered lymphocytes वो इसलिए दिए जाती हैं क्योंकि ये cells immortal नहीं होती हैं. Option is the correct answer is option number 2. Next, given below are 2 statements, assertion and reason. Osteoporosis is characterized by decreased bone mass and the increased chance of fracture. So this is correct. Common cause of osteoporosis is increased levels of estrogen. This is not correct. So the correct option is option number 1. A is correct, but R is not correct. At which stage of life the oogenesis process is initiated? Embryonic stage. Oogenesis embryo stage में ही start हो जाता है. So the correct answer is option number 4. If 8 Drosophila in a laboratory population of 80 died during a week, the death rate is dash individuals per Drosophila per week. So 8 upon 80 is 0.1. So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement question: autoimmune disorder is a condition where body defense mechanism recognizes its own cells as foreign cell. This is correct. Autoimmune disorder में ऐसा ही होता है कि body अपनी ही cells को foreign समझने लगती है. Statement 2: rheumatoid arthritis is a condition where body does not attack self cells. This is incorrect. So the correct option is answer number 1. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. The recombination frequency between the genes A and C is A and C is 5%, B and C is 15%, B and D is 9%, A and B is 20%, and A and D is 29%. So what will be the sequence of these genes on a linear chromosome? A, C, B, D will be the correct option. Next, match the following. Glycogen is the It is the storage product. Globulin. Globulin is the antibody. Steroid is the hormone, and thrombin is the biocatalyst. So the correct option here is option number 2. Which one of the following are not the effects of parathyroid hormone? A, decrease in A, stimulates the process of bone resorption. This is correct. Decreases calcium level इन द बॉडी, ऐसा नहीं करता है ये. रिजॉर्प्शन ऑफ कैल्शियम, बल्कि ये इंक्रीज करता है कैल्शियम लेवल को ब्लड में. Resorption of calcium by renal tubule, this is correct. D, decreases the absorption of calcium from digestive tube, no. Increases metabolism in carbohydrates, no. So the correct answer here is option number 4. B, D and E are not correct. Which one of the following is not a desirable feature of a cloning vector? ऑप्शन नंबर 2, प्रेजेंस ऑफ 2 और मोर रिकग्निशन साइट. किसी भी वेक्टर में अगर दो या दो से ज़्यादा रिकग्निशन साइट अगर प्रेजेंट होगी तो वेक्टर वो हमारे किसी काम का नहीं है, क्योंकि उसको रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम से अगर कट करेंगे तो उसके पीसेस हो जाएंगे. मैच द फॉलोइंग. डायफ्राम. Diaphragm is it covers the surface blocking the entry of sperms. Contraceptive pill, it inhibits the ovulation and implantation. Intrauterine device, it increases the phagocytosis of sperms within uterus. And lactational amenorrhea, it is the absence of menstrual cycle and ovulation following parturition. So the correct option is option number 4. If a colorblind female marries a man whose mother was also colorblind, what are the chances of her progeny having color blindness? So actually there are 100% chances. अगर color blind female का ऐसे मेल से अगर मैरिज हो जाती है जिसकी मदर अभी कलर ब्लाइंड थी, क्योंकि वो मदर से कलर ब्लाइंडनेस वाला जो एलील है उसको कैरी करेगा, तो द 100% of the progeny will show color blindness. Which one of the following statement is not true? Flippers of penguins and dolphins are a pair of homologous organs. ये homologous organs नहीं होते बल्कि analogous organs होते हैं. Structure different but function same. Which of the following is a correct statement? Slime molds are saprophytic organisms classified under किंगडम मोनेरा. सो फर्स्ट वाला जो स्टेटमेंट है वो फॉल्स है. ये किंगडम मोनेरा में नहीं बल्कि किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा में होगा. तो दिस इज फॉल्स. Mycoplasma have DNA, ribosome and cell wall. This is also false. Cyanobacteria are a group of autotrophic organisms classified under kingdom Monera. This is true. And bacteria are exclusively heterotrophic organisms. Exclusively heterotrophic नहीं होते, वो autotrophic भी होते हैं. तो this is also incorrect. So the correct answer is option number 2. Option number option number 3 is the correct answer, not 2. Next, select the incorrect statement with respect to acquired immunity. Acquired immunity में क्या होता है? It is non-specific type of defense present at the time of birth. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Acquired immunity जो है वो birth पे present नहीं होती है बल्कि during the lifetime acquire होती है. तो this is incorrect. Anamnestic response is due to memory of first encounter. This is correct. Primary response is produced when our body encounters a pathogen for the first time. ये भी correct है. And anamnestic response is elicited on subsequent encounters with the same pathogen. This is also correct. Next, match the following. Bronchioles. Bronchioles जो है, it is basically glandular tissue, goblet cell. Sorry, it is the ciliated. It has ciliated epithelium. Bronchioles में ciliated epithelium होता है ताकि वो dust particles को बाहर निकाल सके. Goblet cell is the example of a glandular tissue. Tendons. Tendon is the dense regular connective tissue and adipose tissue is the loose connective tissue. So the correct option is option number 3. Statement question about human insulin. Which statement is correct? They are asking the correct statement here. Okay, so the correct statement, pro-hormone insulin contain extra they are talking about genetically engineered insulin, not the natural insulin, but they are talking about जेनेटिकली इंजीनियर्ड इंसुलिन. तो इन चारों ऑप्शंस को अगर हम देखें तो इसमें से जो बी ऑप्शन है, ए पेप्टाइड एंड बी पेप्टाइड चेन्स ऑफ इंसुलिन व प्रोड्यूस सेपरेटली इन इकोलाई, ऐसा ही होता है जेनेटिकली इंजीनियर्ड इंसुलिन में. इकोलाई में प्रोड्यूस की जाती हैं दोनों चेन्स अलग अलग, उनको एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, उनको कंबाइन किया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड्स. Given below are two statements. In a scrubber, the exhaust from the thermal plant is passed through the electric wires. नहीं, electric wires के through उसको pass नहीं करते. This is incorrect. Statement 2, particulate matter cannot be removed by scrubber but can be removed by electrostatic precipitator. This is correct. So the correct option is option number 2. 10 E. coli cells with N15 DS double-stranded DNA are incubated in a medium containing 14 nitrogen nucleotide. After 60 minutes, 60 मिनट के बाद उसमें कितने ऐसी इकोलाई सेल्स होंगी जो टोटली फ्री होंगी N15 से. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1. Select the incorrect statement regarding synapses. Synapses में क्या होता है? Chemical synapses में न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर होते हैं. This is correct. मेम्ब्रेन्स ऑफ प्री साइनेप्टिक एंड पोस्ट साइनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन्स जो हैं वो बिल्कुल पास पास होती हैं इलेक्ट्रिक साइनेप्स में. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. दोनों के बीच में कोई स्पेस नहीं होता है. इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट कैन फ्लो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम वन न्यूरॉन टू अदर थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्स, ऐसा ही होता है. इन पल्स ट्रांसमिशन अक्रॉस केमिकल साइनेप्स इज ऑलवेज फास्टर. नो, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट, क्योंकि केमिकल साइनेप्स में सिग्नल जो है वो स्लो होता है इन कंपैरिजन टू इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्स. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? Blood moves freely from atrium to the ventricle during joint diastole. This is correct. Increased ventricular pressure causes closing of the sublinar wall. This is not correct. The atrioventricular node, AVN node, generates an action potential to stimulate atrial contraction. Incorrect. The tricuspid and the bicuspid valve open due to pressure exerted by simultaneous contraction of atria. This is also incorrect. So the correct option here is option number 1. So with this, we come to the end of solution of NEET 2022 question paper.